Ask him if he can flush the toilet, please.
Can you flush the toilet?
Some new clean out over there. And it goes out. Okay, tell him he can turn off the water now, dude. So there's a new drain pipe here. Extension goes up there. And then you have the other connection back there. So you got new plumbing there. Drain comes over here. New pipe there. Clean out right here. Clean out right there. Then your toilet trap there. And you get the new one over there. Okay. And then that pipe, where's that? Here's the other clean out. Back over there. That's your kitchen clean out right there. So we ran all the water, no leaks. You do have some water stains, which is normal whenever you have leaks. There's your stains right there. Eventually those will dry out.